Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
For today's video, I will be sharing to you frequently asked questions about Modified Pag-ibig 2 or commonly known as MP2 savings. So, ang nakikita ko kasi, kadalasang nakikita ko, nababasa ko sa mga groups na kinabibilangan ko, yung groups about savings and investment, ay kung ano nga ba ang MP2 at ano yung benefits na makukuha natin dito. That is why I have decided to create a video compiling these questions, and hopefully after watching this video, ma-enlighten kayo about MP2. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and then keep on watching till the end. What is the Modified Pag-ibig 2 or MP2 savings? So the Modified Pag-ibig 2 or the MP2 savings program is a special and voluntary savings facility with a 5-year maturity designed for active Pag-ibig Fund members who wish to save more and earn even higher dividends in addition to their Pag-ibig regular savings. So, from the word voluntary savings. So, ito yung program ni Pag-ibig para sa mga existing Pag-ibig Fund members na gustong madagdagan yung kanilang ipon sa kanilang regular savings. So, since voluntary siya, hindi siya required na maghulog ka monthly. Basta ang ano lang doon is 500 yung minimum na hulog. So, ito naman. So, who can save under MP2 savings? The MP2 savings is open to active Pag-ibig Fund members. It is also open to former Pag-ibig Fund members. These are the pensioners and retirees with other sources of monthly income regardless of age and with at least 24 monthly savings prior to retirement. So, yung mga may MP1 or yung regular savings at yung mga yung mga pensioners ni Pag-ibig na may 24 daw na monthly savings bago mag-retire. Bago siya mag-retire. And then, how can I open an MP2 savings account? So you can open an MP2 savings account safely and conveniently online via virtual Pag-ibig. Once you are issued an MP2 savings account number, you can now start saving. So ito po yung website para sa enrollment ng MP2. Anyway, I will do a separate video kung paano mag-enroll online para maka-open ng account sa MP2. Next is there a minimum amount that I should save in the MP2 savings? The answer is yes. The minimum MP2 savings is 500 per remittance. So ito yung pinaka mababa na pwede mong i-contribute sa MP2 savings. Is there a limit to the amount that I can save in the MP2 savings? So kung kanina yung minimum na pwede mong ihulog, ngayon naman ilan kaya yung pwede mong i-save or yung may limit ba? So the answer is, there is no limit. However, if ever you wish to save an amount of more than 500,000, you would have to issue a personal or managerial check payable to Pag-ibig Fund. So, through check na yung bibigyan mo ng contribution na naka-address kay Pag-ibig Fund. How do I save in the MP2 savings? If you are employed, you may save in the MP2 saving through your employer. So ito yung tinatawag nilang salary deduction. O di kaya, you may also do it on your own via virtual Pag-ibig or any Pag-ibig Fund branch or through any of the Pag-ibig authorized collecting partners. So if you are self-employed naman or an OFW, you may save in the MP2 savings anytime using the above payment channels. How much dividends will my MP2 savings earn? Your MP2 savings earn annual dividends at a rate higher than the dividend rate of the Pag-ibig regular savings program. So mas malaki po ang kita ng ating MP2 savings than our regular savings program. So saan ba kasi nilalagay ni NP2 yung ating pera? So Pag-ibig Fund sets aside at least 70% of its annual net income and credits it proportionately to its members of Pag-ibig savings as dividends. So this means that the more you save, the higher dividends you shall earn. So in 2020, despite the challenges of the pandemic to our economy, the MP2 savings earned a dividend rate of 6.12. So 6.12 ay mataas na sa atin para yun. Can I view my MP2 savings records online? The answer is yes. You can view your MP2 savings online via virtual Pag-ibig. So this is the advantage of creating or having a virtual Pag-ibig account. So you can view your MP2 savings as well as your regular savings. So I suggest you have to create a virtual Pag-ibig account kung wala ka pa. Where does Pag-ibig Fund invest my money? So Pag-ibig Fund invests at least 70% of its investable funds in housing finance, as required by its charter. It also invests in government securities and corporate bonds. When can I receive my MP2 savings dividends? So we can choose to receive our MP2 dividends through the following option. First is full withdrawal of our MP2 savings after its 5-year maturity period with our MP2 savings dividends compounded annually. So, pwede natin pagsabayin na i-withdraw yung MP2 savings at dividends after niyang ma-reach yung 5-year maturity. Ang advantage nito ay nagko-compound yung ating dividend. Or pwede rin naman through annual payout with our MP2 savings dividends credited to our savings or checking account enrolled in any of Pag-ibig Fund's accredited banks. So for those members who opt for annual dividend payout but have no Philippine bank account, such as in the case of overseas members, their MP2 savings dividends shall be released via check. So your principal MP2 savings, meanwhile, shall be returned once it reaches its 5-year maturity. So, pwede rin yun. Kung gusto mong makuha yung dividendo mo yearly, pwede rin yun. Ihuhulog lang yun sa iyong bank account or sa mga miyembro na walang bank account, pwede rin through cheque. Are my MP2 savings guaranteed? Absolutely, yes. Our MP2 savings are government guaranteed. Its annual dividends, on the other hand, depends on Pag-ibig Fund financial performance. Can I reapply for a new MP2 savings account once it matures? Absolutely, yes. Once our MP2 savings reach the 5-year maturity period, we can reapply for a new MP2 savings account.